First, lay out your foil. Take this knife, cut it halfway through. Support it with your hands so it doesn't detach from each other and tear apart. And put it to the side. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put our pesto sauce. We're gonna spread it. Go ahead and place half of your pesto sauce in here. All right, put that to the side. We're gonna use the rest of that later. Next, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of our baby spinach. Actually, we're not gonna sprinkle, we're gonna pack it in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some salt, just a pinch. And then we're gonna put some pepper. I love pepper. And then we're gonna layer it with our baby Swiss. And the last one, shove it in my videographer's mouth. Okay, now we will go ahead and lift our other loaf of bread, the other side of the bread, put it on top, and right before we place it in our tray, okay, go ahead and set your tray to the side. You don't need to use these type of baking trays, but I just like it because you bake it and you toss it right after you're done. And now, and it fits perfectly with these. These trays, I don't have a size. It's gonna be one size. Okay, so then we place them back inside. Push it down. And then we're gonna take the rest of this pesto sauce and spread it on top. After this, we're going to go ahead and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll see it after it's done. Oh yeah, all done and crispy. That's the final look. And how you know it's ready is when you push down and they're firm and crunchy. See? Listen, listen. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, so then you're gonna go over it with your knife and cut them one more time.
Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.